Good day, Turks and Caicos. This is your 3-day public weather forecast issued on Wednesday, the 14th of August, 2024. For the general situation, a ridge of high pressure continues to support seasonably hot conditions across the islands today. Winds will increase and seas will become rough as Hurricane Ernesto moves over the waters east of the Turks and Caicos Islands. Special warnings. A heat advisory is in effect for the Turks and Caicos Islands. Residents are urged to stay hydrated, limit outdoor activities, and seek shade or air-conditioned environments when possible. A dust advisory remains in effect for the Turks and Caicos Islands due to Saharan dust reducing air quality to moderate levels. A high surf warning is in effect. Beachgoers should exercise caution due to the risk of rip currents and rough surf, especially along the northern and eastern coastlines. Today's forecast for all areas: partly sunny and a bit breezy today. Isolated showers possible across the islands of Providenciales, North and Middle Caicos this afternoon. A slight chance of showers across the islands of South Caicos, Grand Turk, and Salt Key. Chance of rain is 20%. Partly cloudy and breezy with a chance of scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms tonight. Chance of rain is 40%. New rainfall amounts of less than 1/4 of an inch. For the advisories, a small craft caution is in effect today, but small craft operators are advised to remain in port by this evening due to increased winds and building seas. Expect gusty winds and higher seas in or near heavy showers and thunderstorms. Winds will be northeasterly at 10 to 20 knots, becoming 15 to 25 knots tonight. Seas will be 4 to 6 feet in sheltered areas, building up to 6 to 8 feet in Atlantic exposures. Seas will continue to build up to 9 to 13 feet tonight. Daytime high temperature is expected to rise to 92 degrees Fahrenheit, heat index of 108 degrees Fahrenheit, and then an overnight low temperature this evening at 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset will be at 7:20 p.m. The next high tide is at 4:52 p.m. and the next low tide is at 11:29 p.m. The extended forecast for the next 2 days: the ridge of high pressure will gradually shift eastward and weaken through Thursday. Hurricane Ernesto will pass east of the islands as it makes its northward track into the Atlantic Ocean and cause hazardous marine conditions due to the generation of large northeast to easterly swells through Friday. Forecast for Thursday: a chance of showers in the morning, then a slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Partly cloudy and breezy with a high near 91. Chance of rain is 40%. Mostly fair with a low around 80 at night. New rainfall amounts of less than 1/4 of an inch. Winds will be west to northwest at 15 to 20 knots, becoming southwest to west at 5 to 10 knots at night. Seas will be 7 to 11 feet in northeasterly swell, decreasing to 6 to 9 feet at night. Forecast for Friday: weather will be partly sunny with a high near 92. Fair with a low around 81 at night. Winds will be southwesterly at 5 to 10 knots, becoming variable at 10 knots or less at night. Seas will be 4 to 6 feet in northeasterly swells. For the tropical weather outlook: at 11 a.m. this morning, the center of Hurricane Ernesto was located about 175 miles north of San Juan, Puerto Rico. Ernesto is moving toward the northwest near 16 miles per hour. A turn toward the north, northwest, and north is expected later today and tonight, with a generally northward motion at a slower forward speed continuing through Saturday. Ernesto has maximum sustained winds near 75 miles per hour with higher gusts. Additional strengthening is forecast during the next couple days. And for the rest of the basin, there are no areas of interest. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Wednesday, the 14th of August, by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Friday.